Space is full of mysteries, and among them, 3I Atlas has captured the imagination of scientists, astronomers, and curious minds around the world. When this interstellar object entered our solar system, it caused a wave of excitement and speculation. Many myths quickly spread online, fueled by social media and sensational headlines. Some people even claimed it was an alien spacecraft or a warning of catastrophic events. In reality, 3I Atlas is a natural object traveling from another star system, classified as an interstellar comet or asteroid. Scientists analyze its orbit, speed, and composition to understand its origin. While its path through the solar system is fascinating, it poses no danger to Earth. This script will explore the most common myths and compare them with real scientific facts, helping viewers separate speculation from truth. Understanding objects like 3I Atlas not only satisfies curiosity, but also teaches us about the larger universe and the amazing journey of interstellar bodies that occasionally visit our cosmic neighborhood. One of the most widespread myths is that 3I Atlas could collide with Earth, creating massive destruction. This claim is entirely false. Astronomers use highly precise calculations to track interstellar objects, predicting their paths with extreme accuracy. 3I Atlas follows a hyperbolic orbit, meaning it entered the solar system from outside and will leave, never returning. Its trajectory does not intersect with Earth's orbit at any point. The myth of a collision often originates from misunderstanding how space objects move or from dramatic portrayals in media. In reality, Earth faces very few threats from such interstellar visitors. Scientists monitor these objects not to panic the public, but to study them, learn about their composition, and understand the dynamics of other star systems. By comparing myths with real data, we can appreciate the beauty of our universe without unnecessary fear. Knowing that 3I Atlas will safely pass by helps reduce panic and emphasizes the importance of science in interpreting cosmic events. Another popular myth claims that 3I Atlas is controlled by intelligent extraterrestrials. Videos and posts circulating online sometimes show strange shapes or movements, suggesting intentional navigation. In truth, 3I Atlas is entirely natural. Its motion is dictated by gravity, speed, and solar radiation, not intelligence. The unusual shape observed in images is simply a result of how light reflects off its surface and the limited resolution of telescopes. Scientists study these details to infer its physical properties, such as whether it is more icy or rocky. Even though the idea of an alien spacecraft is exciting for movies or stories, science shows that interstellar objects like 3I Atlas behave like any other comet or asteroid. They cannot change direction intentionally or perform maneuvers. By understanding the laws of physics that govern its journey, we can appreciate its uniqueness without resorting to myths. This example highlights the importance of critical thinking and relying on verified observations rather than sensational claims. Some myths suggest that 3I Atlas contains mysterious materials or energies unknown to humans. While it is true that studying interstellar objects can reveal unique information about other star systems, there is no evidence of mysterious energy or technology. Scientists analyze its light spectrum to identify chemical composition, revealing mostly familiar materials like silicates, ice, and carbon compounds. These studies help researchers understand how planetary systems form elsewhere in the galaxy. The fascination with alien minerals often comes from exaggeration, but the reality is scientifically fascinating in itself. 3I Atlas provides a rare opportunity to compare our solar system with others. Each observation contributes to knowledge about the evolution of planets, asteroids, and comets. Rather than fearing the unknown, viewers can marvel at the fact that humanity can detect and study objects traveling light years across space. By replacing myths with real facts, we gain a deeper appreciation for astronomy and the tools scientists use to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. Another common myth claims that governments are hiding information about 3I Atlas or that space agencies are keeping the truth secret. In reality, organizations like NASA, ESA, and other observatories openly share data on interstellar objects. Observers worldwide can track 3I Atlas using publicly available coordinates and orbital information. Social media speculation may suggest conspiracies, but these claims are not based on evidence. Transparency in tracking these objects is crucial because astronomers want to share discoveries with the global community. By following scientific protocols and peer-reviewed research, anyone interested can verify facts themselves. Myths about government secrecy often spread fear and mistrust, but the truth is far more interesting. Humanity can observe and study objects from other star systems in real time. This openness is a testament to global collaboration and the power of science to inform, inspire, and educate people rather than to hide knowledge for unknown reasons. A widespread myth is that 3I Atlas could return to Earth in the future, threatening life or causing unexplained events. In reality, its orbit is hyperbolic, which means it is just passing through our solar system once. Once it leaves, it will travel back into interstellar space, never returning. Unlike planets or asteroids bound by the sun's gravity, interstellar objects do not follow repeating orbits. The fear of a second visit often comes from confusing comets and asteroids with interstellar visitors. While it is thrilling to imagine interstellar objects returning like a boomerang, the physics is clear. 3I Atlas is on a one-way journey. Scientists study it while it is visible, collecting data about its speed, composition, and trajectory. Understanding this fact helps viewers separate imagination from reality and appreciate the rarity of observing such a cosmic traveler in real time. This knowledge emphasizes that myths of repeated visits or impending danger are unfounded, highlighting the importance of scientific literacy. Some myths suggest that 3I Atlas could affect Earth's climate or trigger natural disasters. Social media posts often exaggerate its size, speed, or proximity to our planet. In truth, 3I Atlas is extremely far from Earth, even at its closest approach, and its gravitational influence is negligible. The object is tiny compared to planets, and the distances in space are immense. Scientists carefully calculate its path and confirm that it poses no risk of earthquakes, floods, or climate changes. Interstellar objects like 3I Atlas are fascinating precisely because they allow us to study conditions outside our solar system without endangering life on Earth. Myths about environmental impact exploit fear of the unknown, but accurate data shows we are completely safe. Educating the public about scale, distance, and gravitational effects can prevent panic and focus attention on the true value of these observations. Learning about cosmic chemistry, formation of star systems, and the behavior of material traveling across galaxies. Another common myth is that 3I Atlas is similar to Oumuamua and therefore must be dangerous. While both are interstellar objects, scientists have confirmed that Oumuamua and 3I Atlas behaved harmlessly, following natural physical laws. Oumuamua sparked theories due to its unusual shape and trajectory, but research showed it was a natural object. Similarly, 3I Atlas is unique in composition and path, but poses no threat. Comparing objects from different star systems helps scientists understand cosmic diversity, but it should not fuel fear. Each object teaches us about materials, speed, and solar system interactions, enriching our understanding of the universe. Myths that exaggerate danger often ignore the scientific community's careful monitoring. The real excitement lies in studying interstellar visitors in real time, observing phenomena never seen before, and testing our instruments against objects traveling at incredible speeds. By distinguishing between myth and fact, viewers gain knowledge and appreciation rather than unnecessary anxiety. A persistent myth claims that 3I Atlas contains exotic life forms or chemicals that could affect humans. While interstellar objects can carry organic molecules, there is no evidence of life or harmful substances on 3I Atlas. Scientists detect basic organic compounds like carbon and hydrogen, which are common in space and important for understanding the formation of planets and stars. The fear of alien life riding cosmic spaceships is thrilling for fiction, but has no basis in observation. Studying interstellar material helps researchers learn how the building blocks of life may travel between star systems. These studies are about knowledge, not danger. Myths about extraterrestrial contamination exaggerate curiosity into fear. By focusing on real science, viewers can explore how 3I Atlas helps answer questions about the origin of matter, planetary formation, and chemical diversity across galaxies, all while remaining entirely safe. This approach encourages learning and wonder instead of panic. Finally, some myths claim that Three-Eye Atlas is haunted by mysterious energy or signals from other civilizations. In reality, it emits no unusual signals. Observations from telescopes show only reflected sunlight and normal radiation patterns. Any unusual images seen online are often misinterpreted visual artifacts caused by telescope lens effects, exposure time, or image processing. These myths gain popularity because people naturally associate the unknown with mystery or supernatural activity. However, science explains everything we observe with physical laws, from gravity to light reflection. Tracking interstellar objects allows astronomers to predict their positions, measure their speed, and study their composition with precision. The fascination with hidden energy or secret messages is understandable, but it does not match reality. By focusing on what we can observe and measure, audiences can appreciate Three-Eye Atlas as a true wonder of the cosmos, free from myths and safe to study, demonstrating how curiosity and science go hand in hand. Some myths claim that observing Three-Eye Atlas is dangerous, suggesting that looking at it through telescopes or cameras could have harmful effects. In reality, interstellar objects like Three-Eye Atlas pose no physical danger to observers. Telescopes and cameras detect reflected sunlight from billions of kilometers away. The myth likely arises from the human tendency to fear what we cannot see directly or control. Scientists and amateur astronomers around the world safely observe such objects every day. Observations are not only harmless but also provide valuable data about the object's speed, composition, and trajectory. Understanding that looking at Three-Eye Atlas is safe can encourage curiosity rather than fear. By separating myth from fact, viewers can enjoy the wonder of tracking a traveler from another star system without concern. This approach promotes responsible curiosity and helps the audience appreciate the scientific methods used to study interstellar phenomena. Another myth is that Three-Eye Atlas could communicate with Earth or send signals to our technology. Some conspiracy posts suggest that satellites or radio signals might detect messages. In truth, Three-Eye Atlas is a natural object with no capability to emit artificial signals. Radio telescopes can detect natural emissions, like thermal radiation or reflected sunlight, but these are not messages. They are simply physical properties of the object. The human brain tends to find patterns even where none exist, creating myths about communication. Scientists studying interstellar objects focus on measurable properties like trajectory, rotation, and chemical composition. By debunking these myths, viewers can understand the importance of distinguishing between imagination and evidence. Interstellar objects are fascinating precisely because they travel across light years of space, carrying clues about other star systems, not secret messages meant for humans. The truth is remarkable enough to inspire wonder without relying on fictional stories. Some people believe that Three-Eye Atlas could somehow alter Earth's orbit or the orbit of other planets. This myth often appears in sensationalized articles online. In reality, the object is far too small to have any gravitational effect on planets, moons, or satellites. Its mass is negligible compared to planets, and its distance during closest approach makes any influence impossible. Astronomers calculate forces very precisely, confirming that Three-Eye Atlas will pass safely without impacting any celestial bodies. Myths about planetary disruption often ignore the sheer scale of the solar system and the laws of physics. Understanding these facts helps viewers appreciate the immensity of space and the safety Earth enjoys from interstellar visitors. Rather than fearing cosmic threats, the public can focus on the scientific excitement of studying rare objects from outside our solar system, which enriches our knowledge of the universe while posing absolutely no danger. Many myths exaggerate the size or speed of Three-Eye Atlas, claiming it is massive enough to cause destruction or travel faster than known physics allows. In reality, astronomers measure these parameters precisely using telescopes, spectroscopy, and orbital calculations. Three-Eye Atlas is relatively small, likely just a few hundred meters in size, and travels at speeds consistent with interstellar objects. Misinterpretations of visual images or dramatic videos often lead to claims of massive, unstoppable cosmic threats. The truth is fascinating. We can observe a visitor from another star system in real time, measure its velocity, and even learn about its composition. Scientific measurements provide all the information we need, without exaggeration. By comparing myths with these verified facts, viewers understand how science transforms curiosity into knowledge. The excitement comes not from fear, but from the rare opportunity to study matter that has traveled light years across the galaxy, making each observation a scientific treasure. Finally, it is important to remember that myths about Three-Eye Atlas reflect our natural curiosity and fascination with the unknown. People often create stories to explain or dramatize what is unfamiliar, which is why myths spread so quickly. However, the real facts about Three-Eye Atlas are equally exciting. It is a natural interstellar object passing through our solar system, carrying clues about other star systems, composed of familiar materials, and entirely harmless. Scientists can track it, measure its speed, and study its chemical makeup, providing a window into a universe far beyond our solar system. By separating myth from reality, viewers can enjoy the wonder of space safely, appreciate the methods and discoveries of astronomy, and cultivate curiosity grounded in evidence. Interstellar visitors like Three-Eye Atlas remind us that the universe is vast, full of surprises, and waiting for us to explore. Not fear. Understanding the real facts is far more empowering than succumbing to myths.